Your vacuum cleaner is for more than just the floor, and it can help you through a lot of your cleaning in no time. Place a nylon or tight over the end of the hose and add a rubber band to secure it. Place your vacuum hose in the area creased or hard to reach space where you lost your item. The vacuum sucks it up and the nylon or tight holds it into place so you can grab it. Rollers get hair, strings, and other things caught around them. When you're done cleaning, cut the strings with the scissors. Next, pull them right off your roller. Your vacuum is clean and ready to go. Place ice cubes in the indents in the carpet where your furniture used to be. As the ice cubes melt, the carpet will fluff back up. Baking soda is a great deodorizer. Sprinkle it onto your carpet and let it stand for 30 minutes. Once the time has passed, vacuum up as usual. Use your crevice tool on your vacuum and easily clean under cushions, in between the cracks, and hard to reach places. Using the brush attachment, vacuum the dust right off those blinds. Freshen your air while you vacuum. Add drops of essential oil to your filter or bag. As you vacuum, the air coming out will freshen your room. Safely clean computers, TVs, and other electronics. Using the brush attachment on your vacuum, suck up the dust on your keyboards and clean screens. Easy dusting. No need for chemicals and special cloths when it comes to dusting. Just add your brush attachment to your vacuum and suck up all that dust. Using the brush attachment, vacuum off your lampshades to keep them dust-free. Using the brush attachment vacuums not only dust, but the bugs that sometimes fall into those glass shades. Add the brush attachment to your hose and suck the dust right off those baseboards. Use the brush attachment on your vacuum to dust and clean art, wall hangings, pictures, light switches, thermostats, doors, and more. I hope this inspires you to try some of these vacuum cleaning ideas in your home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching. To never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.